May question nga sa identity o pagkatao ni Jen or isang Sampaguita girl ang nag-viral na nagtitinda ng sampagita na sinita ng gwardiya. Kinalaunan sila ay nagkaroon ng enkwentro kung saan ay pinaghahampas nitong si Sampaguita girl ng tangkay ng sampagita ang gwardiya na sumira ng kanyang sampagita. Mula sa naging post ng isang Australiano na si Malcolm, viral Sampaguita girl, a real child student, a woman named Belly Enriquez promoting children rights and a welfare advocate posted on her account about the Sampaguita girl incident that happened last January 14. Check photos. But how was they able to change her cover photo to 6 days ago if the incident just happened 2 days ago? Very suspicious unless she was able to help the student before giving her advocacy stated on her page. But still very suspicious. Even on the comment section, she was not able to answer the grade level of the student directly. Say ng mga netizen, I still think that the girl on the viral video is different from that photo. She is wearing the same uniform though. You know what, in the back of my mind, so though, I still wonder where the PNP and DSWD have found another girl. Maybe someone even pretending to be the girl in the video. Don't know, too much speculation. Narito pa ang say ng isang Edgardo Sikat. Ayon sa kanya at pahayag sa Australiano na naghayag sana ng tulong sa Sampaguita girl pero binawi niya kinalaunan matapos malaman na tila ito ay nagbago ng identity. Say ni Eduardo, actually that uniform she's wearing has similarities to other school in Metro Manila and Calabarzon, which the authorities possibly failed to look at. In my experience, during those days that I can still walk within that area, I see students wearing the same colored school uniform but with different school emblem patches on it. Now, why I included Calabarzon, Cainta, Taytayan, Antipolo were Rizal municipalities which nearly connected to Metro Manila cities such Pasig and Quezon City. Within those three municipalities, I also see some students wearing the same colored school uniforms. Also, based from what I hear from people during those days that I was able to work in offices, there were syndicates lurking somewhere in Pasig posing as beggar and lone street vendors. These scammers were also scattered in Libis, Quezon City where I last worked in. They're not only scattered on streets, but some of them also try to ride passenger jeepneys and even buses. Just to beg for money, some of them also carry some solvents. Si Malcolm Conlan din ang nagsabi na I believe it's the same girl. I believe this is the Jan who needs help. Sipa niya, she has a younger brother like the girl in the video. It's the same girl, just confirmed. Naniniwala naman ang isang Edgardo Sikat. Another theory niya, the viral video's intention is to take revenge against the security guard. Not sure as to whose intention is it. Either that alleged victim or the one who took the video or probably both of them. Naniniwala ang isang netizen na baka ito ay modus at ito ay nais na mag-viral, kaawaan, so para matrigger ang gwardiya at iyon ang iniisip ng ilan. Well, ano masasabi nyo? Samantala, narito naman ang naging pahayag ni Malcolm kung saan ay tila nahuhusgahan siya ngayon matapos na before ay yung gwardiya ang kanyang tinutulugsa at ngayong nalaman na ang pagkatao ng nasabi nga pong bata na 22 years old na pala ay biglang bumaligtad nga daw si Malcolm at ngayon ang simpatya ay nasa gwardiya na. Ayon kay Malcolm Conlan, quick question and people might think I'm mad. The girl, 22-year-old, identified by the PNP and DSWD, does have a sight problem like the girl Jen who was actually the girl who was selling sampagita in the now viral video. Can someone just double check it's the same girl? Sorry to ask, I'm just making sure there isn't more than one sampagita seller who needed help connected to this case. There are still netizens who wanted to help after all the police said the girl they found was 18. Yes, the DSWD said she is 22. Has anyone seen her birth certificate? Comment from one of my followers, Malcolm Conlan. Actually, that uniform she's wearing has similarities to other schools in Metro Manila and Calabarzon, which the authorities possibly failed to look at in. Anyway, ano nga kaya ang totoo? Ito ba ay same girl or may ibang lumabas? At bakit hindi napagtanto ng mga pulis ang tunay na edad nito? Well, ano sa palagay nyo? Ilagay na ang iyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.